Hello everyone, Shriman is back again in this tutorial, and so today actually this is a very good day, and today I will just make one special video for discussing about how to make your career in data science. Okay, so lots of people are questioning in some Facebook groups and in some Telegram groups. They just ask about how to make their hands dirty in data science and how to learn all the topics to become data scientists. So actually, this video is very important for the people who are just becoming a data scientist in future. So actually, so I have thought to make this video, and so you all have to watch this video, and just you have to plan yourself your preparation, your study as a data scientist. So please watch this video, and if you think this video is good and you just enjoy this, please you have to give one like. And if you are a newbie on my channel, then you have to subscribe the channel and turn the notification bell on. So actually on the screen as you are looking, this is the LinkedIn. Actually you all know about LinkedIn. LinkedIn is just a social media for developers or businessmen. I mean persons who just works in companies or any other places. So they are on LinkedIn. So actually you are just looking LinkedIn homepage, and so this is Manu Kumar Jan. Just actually these are the news feeds as we uses Facebook. Then there is a section of news feed, so just this is the news feed. So I will just use LinkedIn for giving something, for showing something that how are the opportunities in data science field and what are the requirements. So these all things will be just will be shown by the medium of this LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is a social media website for all the developers and all the businessmen, all the working person. So if you want to be a data scientist, then first of all you have to just make a LinkedIn profile. You have to do registration on LinkedIn. You have to make a good profile, and you have to update your profile picture regularly. You have to update your skills regularly, just as I will show you my profile. Okay, so this is view profile. So I will, yeah, this is my profile. So this is the cover pic, and it's my profile pic. And so here this is the profile strength that just looks about the skills that I acquire and the certificates and programs that I have done. So these all things will be updated regularly on monthly basis, weekly basis, as you can do. And so you have to just add your what job experiences. So anything you can just add on this LinkedIn. And so people's on LinkedIn, some companies on LinkedIn, they viewed your profile and they just call you, they just hire you. Okay, so LinkedIn is very important for the persons who are just working. So here actually what is this, you have to just add your education section. So this is the education section. So what types of degrees and programs that you have acquired. From here you have do your what bachelor's, and in which subject you have done your bachelor's. If you have done your master's, then in which subject. So a lots of things will be added in this section. And then also you can just add your what I mean skills, what topics you have just covered in your bachelor's or in master's. And so just I have added these things. These are the small mathematical topics, and so these are just added in this section. And so actually, so this is very important and very useful for people who are just becoming a data scientist in future. So you have to make a LinkedIn account, and you have to just uh, add these all things, these all stuffs, bio status and everything about you on this LinkedIn profile. Because A to Z companies, A to Z companies on this earth all have LinkedIn profile, and they just views employers profile just like as we persons. And they just views and they just hires, they just message, they actually they connects with employers. And so employers will get some help and some references for hiring, and so they will get a job soon. So this is very important if you use LinkedIn. So this is the LinkedIn. Now actually this is not the thing that I am showing you. Actually LinkedIn will be very useful if you want to just looking some opportunities in any specific field. So LinkedIn will be very useful. So actually now I will show you how this is actually very useful. So for this, do one thing. Just I have make my profile in such a way that my profile will just tell that I wants to become a data scientist, okay, and I have added some skills. Then after adding the skills, I have just applied and just viewed some jobs for data scientist or data analyst, okay. And you know how machine learning and deep learning things are working. So actually LinkedIn just automatically uh, predict that what I am looking for, okay. So they just know that what I need, for which thing I am looking for, what I am doing on LinkedIn, what I want. These are the things that LinkedIn knows about the persons who have profile on LinkedIn. So actually they just give me notifications about about some jobs. If some companies have data scientist or data analyst vacancies, opportunities, then they just give me notifications. And you know it's so important, sorry, it's so good that every day I just got 20, 25, 40, 50, 100 types of jobs every day. And you know data science section is a very good section, and it has a lots of opportunities. In USA, it's alone, USA is alone a country where what I say, 1 billion vacancies for data scientists are just remain empty. So people are not able to do this job, and so seats are empty just. And so these are the reasons, so why there are how much what necessity of a data scientist in this world. And so this is the main reason. So now I will show you that how to look that what are the requirements, what are the opportunities, and what types of degrees, educational degrees that you should require for becoming a data scientist. So I will talk you about these all things today. So this video will be going to very efficient, very important for you all if you are just wants to make your hands dirty in the field of data science. Okay, so now what I should do, just press here. Yeah, look, LinkedIn is sending me that we found 4 new jobs for your search data scientist jobs in Gurgaon, India. So for India positions, there are 4 new jobs. For Greater New York City area, there is 30 plus new jobs, and this notification has been sent yesterday night. Yeah, 13 hours before. So I will click here, view jobs. And now I should just look that what are the actually jobs and what are the opportunities. Yes, so look here, this is Ernest Research, New York City, US. So data analyzed financial services product. So actually just click on this. So with the help of LinkedIn you can just save this job, you can just apply for this job, so everything you can do. It's very useful. So just click on see more. Now this is some intro about Ernest Research. Actually Ernest Research is just a startup, and what this do, there is this is the section that will tell you about the description of the company or the startup. Then what are their products. Actually they just what they just deals with financial services, and so these are their products. So what about the responsibilities when you become a data scientist in this startup? So what will be the responsibilities? Actually this will be mentioned here. And now qualifications. So what qualifications they just need for a data scientist? So first point is saying that bachelor's degree in finance, economics, or a related discipline from a top tier university. So this is just saying that you have to the minimum criteria for getting a job as a data scientist in this startup, just a bachelor's, not masters, not phd, not any engineering degree, nothing to worry about this, just a bachelor's degree in finance, because this company just deals with financial products. So it needs a bachelor's degree in finance, economics, or a related discipline from a top tier university. Top tier university doesn't necessary so much, because every startup, every company just looks for guy who are actually very talented, who are very intelligent, because people's sorry people's no employers don't want that I should hire some person who are not able to do their job. Suppose a company, a multinational company is hiring you as a data scientist, and you are just not able to doing their work. You are just not able to doing machine learning, deep learning. You are not just able to uh, uh, data visualization skills. You have nothing. Then actually, then why that company will hire you? Actually they are they are offering you a good package, a good salary. Then they just needs a lot of work and a lots of things from you. So you have to know this all. And so people from a top tier university are just get suitable for these all positions. So they have mentioned top tier university, but this is not the criteria, main criteria, not nothing. So it's just a priority. Now moving on, second point, they are saying that 1 to 3 years of finance experience, including but not limited to investment banking, equity research, private equity consulting, and or quantitative. So these are just the these are just the requirements. But talking about the educational educational degrees, they just need a bachelor's, and the more points, this second point, third point, fourth, fifth, sixth, these all points are just saying about some particular properties and some particular things, skills that you have. Familiarity with Tableau software is a plus but not required, yeah. So actually excellent communication skills, verbal and written. So if you are a scientist, then you have to just deal with a lots of things. You have to just talk with persons who are just employees, who are just dealing with what market. You have to just know everything. So these are the skills that you have to do. Then they are also discussing about the benefits and perks. So what about these benefits and perks? So these are the benefits and perks, actually the facilities that the this company is giving you. So 100% company paid medical plan options, health and fitness reimbursement program, 401k retirement plans. So this also we should not look on these benefits and perks. Actually every company should have some benefits and perks facilities. So these are not the main thing that we have to look here, but we have to just look for what the requirements for this. So this is a very good thing. Now we should move on another job. Now this is another startup, we work. So I think this is a real estate analytics. So this is a job description, then capabilities that you have to do: 2 or more years of relevant work experience in data science. So this is saying that if you are a data science, uh, this is not given here that if you have just a bachelor's or master's or anything in any discipline. No, nothing. You are just a data science scientist. You are just working in 2 or more years in the field of data science, business analytics, or a related field, anything. Then a strong technical skills in data extraction, analysis, visualization. Therefore you have skills of SQL, you have knowledge of Python programming, R programming, Tableau, anything. So these are the things that you have to just look for. And so these are the things, these are the actually requirements that they should need. Now moving on another job. Yeah, this is data analyst intern. So look what this is saying. Yeah, this also deals about financial products. So this is saying that what you need in this position, I mean the requirements. So excellent communication skills, high level of energy, being a data geek at heart, advanced knowledge and working experience with Excel, Google Sheet or BI platform like as Tableau, Qlik View, 1010 data. For these all things, background or at least an interest in linguistics, semantics or syntax knowledge is a major plus. Proficiency in Python or Java experience a plus. So these are the little things that you have to just recover for, and a lots of startup are just standing for they are just saying that hey, we have a lots of data science positions, but actually we have not people able for doing works in these positions. So why not you are coming in my startup or in my company and you are just working? So actually a lots of a startup in USA alone, and they just offers a huge package. They just gives a handsome package to their employees. So why don't you just prepare for these companies? Why don't you just looking for these companies? These are very good. They are offering a lots of things. So these are the companies and these are the things that you have to just look for. Now just move. This is data analyzed for first derivatives. So what about this? Yeah, key skills and attributes. This is saying that a strong data analysis skills and experience, full SDLC experience, good understanding of capital market products including derivative, fixed income, equities, FX, 2 to 8 years of relevant working experience, prior background with investment banking clients, technical skills including XML, ETL frameworks, JavaScript, R, Python, or others, degree in economics. Actually, this is not mentioning which type of degree, bachelor's, master's, doctoral, nothing. Just a degree in economics, maths, statistics, or computer science. So, look, this is not so difficult. This is not just requiring a lots of thing. This is bioinformatics data analyzed. So, this position just what genomic data analyzed responsibilities. These are some responsibilities, but we will talk about the requirements. So this needs BS and MS in bioinformatics, a bachelor's or a master's in bioinformatics, data science, or a related field. Knowledge of artificial intelligence is highly preferred because this works with bioinformatics, and actually artificial intelligence is just a field that will be paired with a lots of field, like as we can use AI with medical field. Doctors are actually doing operations and treatments with the help of AI. Manufacturing companies just manufacture products with the help of AI. A lots of applications of AI. So you have to just AI is highly preferable. Then this is saying about expertise in analyze, interpret, visualize genomic data, experience with programming languages, therefore R, Python, and cloud computing as storage, ability to manage multiple projects and meet deadlines. So these are the things. Excellent communication and presentation skills. So just these are the things, and you have to just prepare for these startups. They are very good. So now actually there are a lots of a startup, and every day I just got above 100 jobs every day. So you know how much there are opportunities in this world for data science scientist. So actually we just not think about, we have to not waste our time, we have to just prepare these things, we have to study a lots of thing, everything, each and everything that is required for a data scientist, and we should apply for the jobs. Now I will just move move to some other good companies like as Google or Facebook. So just search here. Actually, LinkedIn is not able in this way for telling about the careers in Google. But don't worry, just wait. Yes, so just look here. So this is a data scientist engineering job in Google. And so what types of qualifications it is needed? So just look here. Master's degree in a quantitative discipline. You know what about quantitative disciplines? Just like as programs like as statistics, operations research, bioinformatics, economics, computational biology, computer science, mathematics, physics, electrical engineering, industrial engineering, or equivalent practical experience. So this is just saying about master's degree in any type of quantitative disciplines. Okay, and these are the quantitative disciplines like statistics, operations research, bioinformatics, economics, and CS mathematics. Just then this is just saying about, yeah, 2 years of work experience in data analysis related field. So just it requires 2 years of work experience, so you have to just work for 1 or 2 years in any types of companies or startups in this related field. Experience with a statistical software, therefore R, Python, MATLAB, Pandas, database languages, therefore SQL. So these are the things they just need. But if you have some more qualifications like as these are the points for preferred qualifications. So PhD degree in a quantitative discipline. If you have a PhD degree, then it will be more preferable. This will be more better for you. Then 4 years of relevant work experience, including expertise with statistical data analysis such as linear models, multivariate analysis, stochastic models, sampling methods, everything else. So these are some other things about the job. There are some other things about this job. Okay, so this job is in San Francisco area. So you can directly apply on this website careers.google.com. Then actually in Zurich, Switzerland, there is also data scientist some jobs. So just look there. Yeah, here actually this is not like as that same. This just its minimum qualification is just a PhD degree in quantitative disciplines. This not requires masters, but it requires PhD degree. So if you have PhD, then you are be suitable for this job. Then preferred qualifications, so they are telling about experience in coding, therefore C, C++, Python, or Java. Also querying databases, SQL, MySQL, MapReduce, Hadoop. And these are the things. Proficiency in machine learning tools, preparing training sets. So a lots of things. You can just look for the jobs by your own self. You have to just go to Google Careers, and you have to just look for the jobs, what they requires, what they do, and what are the works and what are the requirements. So everything that you should get there on their website. So either you should use LinkedIn, you should use their career websites. So you should got some idea about how to just know that what are the requirements for these things. Okay, and now in last actually, so you should just know that what are the things, what are the degrees that you have just required. A lots of person from a lots of degrees are just making their career in data science, like as people from mathematics background, statistics background, economics background, commerce background, business application, like as MBA graduates are just making their career in data science. So peoples from a lots of discipline, different disciplines, they are just making their career in data science, and they are very good. They are able to switch their career, and so you will also be able to do this. So you have to just prepare for yourself, or you should just get any degree in this quantitative disciplines, and this will be proved very useful. This will be very useful for you. And so minimum, actually, if we talk about the minimum qualification, then MS will be, bachelor's will be minimum. But if you have masters, then this will be more preferable. And if you have PhD, then it's very nice. So now it's time for signing out. Actually, this video has just a good chance that how to make a career in data science. And now I will say you, actually I have just started a series, a video series on this channel. I have just discussed some stuffs of linear algebra. In the future, I will discuss about calculus, various topics like limits, continuity, differentiation, integration, differential equation. So I am just going to teach each and every topics that are required for what data science. So in future I will just deliver videos on these things, and along with this I will also yeah, use making videos of Python programming. So how to use Python, how to learn Python, and what are the other things that you should need for learning Python. So, and after Python I will also switch on R programming language, and then just lots of things we have to study. But I think in a starting we have to just start from basics, and then we have to just go on the pro level. So now this is time for signing out. So if you like this video, just give one like, and please share the link of this video in another groups. And also if you are a newbie, then please subscribe our channel, please give support and everything else. Okay, so bye.